Hey friends, if you wish to have Word to not replace the selected text after typing, then please watch this video. Now, ideally, this is not even the default mode, but the thing is that a lot of extensions and plugins will push Word into this mode, or some person might have turned it on, and this causes a lot of problem because it uh, keeps on over typing and all. So it is very problematic. To turn this off, click on File, select Options, and then go to the Advanced tab. The first section is the Editing Options section, and then uncheck the box for overtype and uncheck this box. Use the Insert T key to control overtype mode, and then click on OK. Now, why did we do this? So, one may be curious, why does it turn on the overtype mode when I have not selected the option? Because when you press the Insert key, then it will automatically push it into the overtype mode. And interestingly, the insert key is associated with the delete key on many laptops. So if you press it along with control, it will simply push it into the overtype mode. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.